Okay, let's talk about how to solve common toilet training problems. Parents have many different issues when it comes to potty training. Their child may not be willing to sit on the potty, their child may be having frequent accidents, or the child may be refusing to poop in the potty. No matter the issue, it's typically solved in the same way, meaning that in order for your child to be successful with potty training, he has to be motivated by potty training. Your child needs to want to sit on the potty, want to be successful on the potty. And in order to do that, you need to encourage that behavior by using positive reinforcement. Positive reinforcement is the key to successful potty training. If you have the right motivator for your child to be potty trained, then he ultimately will reach that goal. If your child is reluctant to sit on the potty, make sure she has plenty of things to do while she's sitting there to keep herself busy. If she's having accidents, make sure that she has a reward each and every time she goes pee in the potty. If your child is refusing to sit on the potty to poop, figure out if there's a real fear or a medical issue. If not, then again, you want to give her the motivation to poop in the potty by using the rewards. So those are some tips for solving some very common potty training issues.